Woodworking is more than just a craft, it is an art form that has stood the test of time. From rustic wood ideas to modern wood art, creating unique wooden furniture is a perfect way to combine functionality and beauty. Whether you are inspired by historical furniture designs or prefer artistic furniture with a contemporary twist, wood projects offer endless possibilities. Handmade wood projects are especially popular for their personal touch and character. Rustic wood ideas, with their natural textures and earthy tones, can transform any space into a warm and inviting retreat. On the other hand, modern wood furniture designs focus on sleek lines and innovative forms, ideal for minimalist and contemporary interiors. Art furniture ideas incorporate wood carving techniques to create intricate patterns and detailed designs. These techniques can be seen in historical wood models, which often serve as inspiration for modern wood art. Combining these woodworking methods with furniture-making tips allows artisans to craft unique wood furniture that blends traditional and modern elements seamlessly. Wood carving techniques and woodworking methods also enable the creation of artistic wood projects, such as detailed decorations and functional home decor pieces. These include handmade wood projects like unique wooden clocks, rustic shelves, or modern chairs that stand out as artistic furniture. If you are passionate about woodworking, exploring wood furniture decor and wood design ideas can be a rewarding journey. Whether you are making old wood projects come to life or designing artistic wood projects from scratch, the possibilities are endless. With practice and creativity, your woodworking skills can lead to stunning wood home decor pieces that make a lasting impression. Encourage your creative journey by experimenting with these furniture-making tips, wood carving techniques, and artistic wood projects. The fusion of rustic and modern designs, paired with historical inspiration, will make your creations timeless. If you enjoyed these ideas, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on wood projects and artistic furniture designs. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and unique woodworking ideas to elevate your craft.